Mohan Singh, Associate Professor in Mechanical Department of SIIT, SIS Group, Bhopal. Today I am going to explain how the materials are converted from raw material to finished material. Any company or any working area, it gets the material in three forms. Either it is purely in the raw material form, or in the process material form, or in the semi-finished material. There are 5-6 types of processes which converts mechanically the material into one shape to the another shape, and those are fitting, those are foundry, welding, casting, rolling, forging, welding, and metal cutting. The metal cutting, it is not the new process, it is very old, from the ancient time also, from the Stone Age also. The ape man was converting the piece of stone into the cutting in the tool by just hitting one stone to the another stone. Then the very first machine which came to the picture, it was the lathe machine. And this lathe machine is called the mother of all the machines. Initially it was started using the material wood only. Later on it started on various type of materials. Now I will show you see, there are various type of lathe machines available. You can see here that the simple machine, lathe machine, then parts included, so many things added. Then we can see here that only the lead screw is available here, but there is no feed rod available here. And in another type of machines, we can show here that this is the lead screw and this is the feed rod. Now I will tell you how we work on the lathe machines. This is the lathe machine. More than 16 types or 20 types of processes we can perform on the lathe machine. Simple cutting, simple turning, facing, forming, groove cutting, teeth cutting, drilling, reaming, grinding, and various types of other options we can perform on this. Then, if we talk about the major part of this machine, lathe machine, this is the head stock, this is the head. We know that our body is run by the head. Same way here, in the lathe machine, the power is transmitted and the working force are transmitted by the head stock only. This is the chuck. This chuck, we can see here, there are 4 jaws here to tight this, and on that lathe machine, we can see that there are only 3 jaws. That is 3 jaw chuck, this is 4 jaw chuck. And this part, this is the tail stroke of the lathe machine. What we can do with the help of this tail stroke, that we can, using the center here, revolving center, we can hold the longer jobs here, we can give the support, and we can, using the tool on this tail stroke, we can drill on the part component. Now, this head stroke and tail stroke, in between, this is a carriage. This moves.
पीछे
Lock in both the directions we can give the motion. This is the another motion here, both the sides, and this is the third one. By this compound rest, we can give the minute movement here of this tool. This is the tool post. We can also set the tool in the desired direction, or the desired angles. This tool, cutting tool, this is also, we select or we form this tip of this tool depending upon the process which we are going to perform. Now, this here, to give the motion movement to these two rods, lead screw and feed rod. What we do, from this headstock, we are transferring movement to this gear train here, and we are setting the gear train, combination of these gears, depending upon the speed we want there or movement we want there.